Hello lovely people, big warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? Hope you're all really doing well today. I took 5 minutes off YouTube this week because I was having a little bit of a time earlier in the week that you may have seen I shared about, and it's so important if you're not feeling yourself mentally for whatever reason to just take a step back. So that's exactly what I did. I'm just going to move that camera a little bit, it's a bit shadowy. But yeah, I just needed 5 minutes to sort of catch up with myself and slow down a little bit, so that's what I did. But I am back with my Friday video, so hi. Also, I've got Leo downstairs on the sofa. I had a call from school this morning to say that he didn't feel well, so I've had to go in and get him. So Cooper is napping, Leo is on the sofa watching Super Pets, League of Super Pets. So that's where they are, and I've just snuck upstairs while he was all happy and snuggled on the sofa to just do this quickly, and then I will go and snuggle up with him. I actually got all this stuff last week. I actually went to Poundland last week, so this has been sitting in my bedroom for like, yeah, a week now, waiting to be opened, and it's got to the point where I forgot what I even got. So I feel like we're doing this together because I've genuinely forgot what's in this bag. And I've also just realised there's going to be a few things in here that will potentially cheer up the little boy on the sofa downstairs. So that's good, isn't it? Right, let's get going, guys. Loads of Halloween bits. I think I got some like toys in here which potentially could be stocking fillers, but I'm so bad at buying stocking fillers and not just like giving it to them because I get excited. And I think I got some home stuff in here. There's a bit of everything. I'm just gonna lucky dip. I'm just gonna go in and see what I get. Okay, right, this is the thing that I think is really gonna cheer up Leo downstairs. So I got a box of 8 skull string lights. So they had a few different string lights to choose from. There were pumpkins, really beautiful, like, because they're like cracked glass pumpkins, but they only had the pumpkins in bright white. So I'm just moving the camera again because it was shadowy. Yeah, if you have followed me through like my past Christmases on here, you'll know that there's bright white and there's warm white, and there's only one that goes in my house, and it ain't bright. So the pumpkins, they only had bright white left, but they had warm whites in skulls. I mean, not really my bag, you know, for my living room, but I know a certain 5-year-old who would love some skull lights. Crikey, they are bigger than I thought they'd be. That's quite sizey, isn't it? So there's 8 on the string. Oh god, we need batteries. I'll have to find some somewhere. But yeah, he will hang these up or put them on his windowsill or something, and he will love that. That bit of a bargain. And if your local Poundland has the warm whites in the pumpkins, then I'm very jealous because I 100% would have got those. They also had these really adorable hanging decorative pumpkins. I haven't quite decided what to do with these or where to hang these. Do you know what? I might not hang them. I might pull the little string out and just have them decorative, sitting on a shelf somewhere, because they're really cute, aren't they? Nice muted colours as well. Obviously they were £1 each. I don't know if there were more colours, I can't remember, but for £1 or £2 for 2, I thought they were very, very sweet, whether you hang them or whether you don't. So a little bit more Halloween autumn decor inspo right there. Oh. Right, I have been telling Leo for ages. Oh, hello Turley.
It's finished.
Is it? Do you want me to come put some nails on? Have you spotted something? I'll tell you what, when Mummy's finished filming, I'll bring it all down and you can have a look. Come on, I'll put on something else for you. Hold on. Okay, yeah, just put on another film for him. I've got him a drink, and yes, he saw the skull lights and is very, very excited. The next thing I was going to show you, he keeps saying to me if he can have like a Halloween plate for breakfast, because I've been making him like spooky toast. I've got this little like pumpkin shape cutter thing, and he's like, oh, I don't have a Halloween plate. And I've tried to like make him a couple, but the stickers wouldn't stick on, and I just couldn't find one in a shop, like anywhere. You'd think, I was sure somewhere like B&M would have like a kid's Halloween like plate, not a paper one, but no, I haven't managed to find one anywhere. And then in Poundland they did have this spooky skull plate. I mean, it's like a proper, it's not plastic, it's a proper grown-up plate, and yeah, a little bit larger than the plate he would normally use. Do you know what? He will love this. He will actually go mad for this. So yeah, when he's feeling better, obviously he's off school at the moment, but the next time I have the opportunity, I will show him this Halloween plate, and I think he'll be absolutely chuffed, to be honest. I mean, as Halloween plates go, it's not, you know, it's quite aesthetically pleasing, isn't it? Skulls have even got little love hearts in their eyes. Quite nice, really. Okay, I got these last year. If you've been here a while, you might even remember them from my Poundland haul last year. We used them and they are so good. They are these pumpkin teeth. So basically, you just need to carve a big mouth and the eyes in your pumpkin, make the mouth nice and wide, and then you put in the teeth and it looks so good. And obviously the little ones can really get involved with it because the carving is quite tricky with a pumpkin, but screwing in the teeth is really easy for the little ones to do. Oh, there's a picture so you can see what it looks like when it's done. Honestly, we did it last year and Leo was just beside himself. Absolutely loved it. I thought I'd kept the teeth from last year, but I can't, they weren't in my Halloween box. I don't know where they've gone, but luckily they did them again this year, so you get 7 little teeth or sets of teeth to stick in for £1. Honestly, really, that is £1 well spent. Go and get some for your little one. They will love it. Now this is the little toy I found in the toy aisle. I think you never really know what you're going to get in the toy aisle with Poundland. Like sometimes you get ones in there where you think, oh my gosh, how on earth is this in Poundland? And you grab it while it's there, and then sometimes you walk through and you think there's really nothing here, especially like for my 5-year-old who is becoming a bit fussier when it comes to toys, if you know what I mean. But they did have this because my 18-month-old loves fidgety things, you know, like all those little fidget toys, loves them. And they had this fidget puzzle ball. I've never seen this one before. It looks like this. It says 3+ on there, but don't mum shame me. You know, I'm not going to leave him, and I'm certainly never going to give him a toy that I deem to be dangerous. I mean, I don't really know what he could. Guys, I'll be honest with you, I'm not entirely sure what I'm supposed to be doing here. What do I do? No instructions. It does say not suitable for small children due to small parts. I mean, maybe it's 3+ because these smaller balls could potentially fall out. I'll be honest with you guys, I don't think I'm going to be giving this to Cooper anyway. Like, I cannot see what this toy actually does. How is this a fidget toy? Like, you push these a little bit and that's it. I mean, tell me if I'm doing this completely wrong. But to be quite honest with you, this is going nowhere. I honestly don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. Yeah, I mean, that was £1 absolutely down the toilet. I'm not going to be giving this to him for multiple reasons. I won't even be giving this to Leo. I don't think he'd want this. Don't rush to the shops to buy this one. Or if I'm doing it wrong and there's actually a really cool way to play with this, then let me know. But it's disappointing. Okay, my last find is actually a really good find though. So I have obviously a non-slip bath mat in my bath due to the fact that we have an 18-month-old. But I just hate non-slip bath mats. I find them really hard to keep clean and to maintain. Even I take mine out after every bath and I hang it up, but you still get those little bits of mildew on them and I just hate them. So these are a little bit different. These are called Stay Put non-slip mats, but they're like little individual ones. Hold on. So it comes in a set with a set of 4. So I got 2 bags. So they look like this. And then you just dot them where you want them to go around the bath. And I'm hoping they will be less of like a mildew collector, because after every bath I'll just pull these up, put them upside down, and then hopefully that will work a little bit better. I don't know, but obviously I got 2 packs because 4 is not going to be enough to spread across the bath. But yeah, I had seen other people have these like little shapes on the bottom of the bath rather than like a giant mat, and thought it looked quite clever. So when I saw these in Poundland, I thought, what a bargain. Obviously I got 2, so it's £2 in total, but still a real bargain. Also, Leo will appreciate the funny little shapes and pictures to look at bath time. I'll try these tonight. They might be a total fail. I'll let you know if they are. I might be resorting back to my horrible big bath mats if they are a fail. but for £2 it's just worth a go, isn't it? So guys, there you go. That is what I picked up in Poundland this autumn. I hope you enjoyed it. It feels good to be back filming after a little mini break, a few days off. Sometimes it's just necessary and you got to do what you got to do, basically. But I will be back on Monday with a very exciting Motivation Monday video, one that I've been waiting to film for ages and I loved filming it, so do not miss Monday's video. I'm gonna go cheer my boy up with some skull lights. It's not something you say every day, is it? But guys, thank you so much for watching my latest video. I'm gonna go give my boy a cuddle and give him his little creepy lights, and enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you lovely people in my next video.